The time has come, it's time to celebrate Nacho Day. Nacho, Nacho Man. I want to be a Nacho Man. Happy Nacho Day 2021. I'm Jim from Jim's Kitchen, and I'm going to be collaborating with a bunch of other people making nachos today as well. And we're putting these videos under hashtag Nacho Day 2021. Well, for today's nacho, I'm doing a Caribbean nacho. I'll show you how it's done. I need to get some chopping some veggies. I'll be chopping 3 bell peppers, yellow, red, orange, as well as 2 avocados and some green onion. Let's get chopping. Hi-ya! I'm gonna start by cooking up my protein. I'm doing meatless again. I'm going with corn, meatless pieces. Let's get those cooking. I'm gonna add a little island teriyaki marinade. I have a lot of spices I'm gonna add to this. It's basically all the spices in a Caribbean jerk seasoning. So, I'm gonna go through them all, but oh my gosh, it's my friend, Cindy Squirrel, which makes me think of my other friend, Cindy Squirrel. She's a YouTuber and she's the one I'm doing this collaboration with. So when you're done watching me, you're gonna have to go check out Cindy Squirrel's video. Ginger, allspice, thyme, cayenne pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, turmeric, pepper, and salt. And I'm gonna add just a little bit of sugar. I'm ready to start the oven and start layering my nachos. I'm using Juanita's tortilla chips. I love these tortilla chips. Why? Because they're from my home, Oregon. Time for some black beans. I'm using the ones with jalapenos and lime. Right on top. Normally when I do nachos, I would be piling it really high like a mountain, but there's just 2 of us eating, so we have to keep it a little smaller. Then I'm gonna put all the vegetables on top. And I'm gonna put on a can of diced pineapple. Next comes the protein. And some cheese, Monterey Jack. I'm gonna cook this in a 400-degree oven for about 7 to 10 minutes. Snack break. I just saw these in the store. I heard of these from my friend Dolores, baking diva, and she said these were so good. So I had to get them and try them. I got them last night and look how many I've already eaten. They're so wonderful. Gingerbread cookie, Oreo cookie. I love it! They're out of the oven and they look so awesome. I'm gonna bring them over here. I'm gonna top them. I am gonna top them with some salsa. I made my own mango salsa. You know, I do like doing a little making my own stuff. So I made some homemade mango salsa, and I'm a little bit of a homesteader. Do you know who else is a homesteader? My friend Cindy Squirrel. Not you, Sandy. Cindy Squirrel. Let's add some salsa on top. And a little avocado ranch on the very top. Okay, maybe it is a little too big for 2 people. I'm ready to dig in. Caribbean nachos. Wow. The chicken, the vegetarian chicken, is the star of this nacho. The spices in that chicken, phenomenal. Love the addition of pineapple. It is a great nacho. In the description to my video, I put a link to Cindy Squirrel. You need to go check out her video too. and subscribe to her channel because she's awesome. Also, I've created a playlist under hashtag Nacho Day 2021. And if you click that link, you'll see all the other people who also collaborated with this special celebration. I used to think I was good at cheesy jokes. Now I'm nacho sure.